welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. I've got a fabulous show for you. It's a short, simple, fast, easy spaghetti sauce. You're going to love it. It's my husband's favorite, and this is my mother-in-law's recipe. It's not your ordinary spaghetti sauce in a jar. This one is made with tomato sauce. This recipe is a very economical recipe. It's literally using just 2 cans of tomato sauce. So you're going to save money. It's going to taste great. I hope you enjoy this recipe as well as we do. And you know what? Let's get up and let's go into the kitchen and let's start cooking. These are the ingredients you're going to need. You'll need 1 good slice of yellow onion, 3 garlic cloves, salt and pepper. You're going to need, my favorite of course is Morton's Nature Seasoning, Italian seasoning, 2 cans of tomato sauce, spaghetti noodles, and 1 pound of ground beef. I do not have ground beef that is thawed out. This is frozen. So I'm literally going to just get the frozen chunk, put it in some water, and I'm going to let it boil. So we're going to bring this to a rolling boil and we're going to let it boil until it is done, and I'll show you what it looks like. Next thing, you're getting this pan right next to it, and we're going to bring this to a rolling boil, and we're going to put our spaghetti noodles and cook them. I'm just going to do half a package. So I will be right back. Here it is. It's all done. It's browned, and I'm going to drain it and bring it back to the saucepan. So this is what you want. I boiled it maybe about 7 minutes. You want it like brown like this. I drained it, and now we're going to bring it to the saucepan. So I'm going to leave it right here. So remember, I'm boiling my spaghetti noodles and do it according to the package directions. I've got about 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to drain these and set them aside. I used about half a package, and I don't know if you do this, but I cut my noodles in half. I don't like them long. And I got about 1 minute left, and then I'm going to drain them and set them aside. Since I boiled the hamburger meat, it's dry, so I'm going to need some avocado oil to saute the onions and garlic. So I'm going to put a little dash in there. Got a 1/3 cup of diced onions, very small. My husband doesn't really like them, so I cut them very small, and you won't even know they're in there. We'll saute this for a few seconds. Okay, we're going to pour our hamburger meat in. I'm going to break it up. I'm not going to break up the hamburger meat too much because my husband likes it chunky. Here's the tablespoon of minced garlic cloves. That was 3 garlic cloves. Here are the spices. I've got half a teaspoon of Morton's Nature Seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. It's all going in. I'm just going to stir this like 15 seconds, and then our tomato sauce is going in. Okay, so this is going to take 2 cans of just good old-fashioned, simple tomato sauce. Now, this is my husband's mom's recipe / I kind of added other things, but she used to make it just with tomato sauce, not spaghetti sauce. So my husband loves it this way. So this is how I'm doing it. She didn't add the Italian seasoning. I did. So you could just play with it, add what you want. And I'm going to add a little bit of pasta water. I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of that pasta water. I saved some from the spaghetti when I was boiling it. I saved some of the pasta water, which is really good for the spaghetti. Now all we're going to let it do is simmer here, and I'll be back to put it together. So I had it on a medium flame for about 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just toss in the spaghetti noodles and then just combine it, and it's literally done. I'm going to let it just simmer another 4 minutes. Look at this, how fast this was. Now, it's not going to be real saucy because my husband likes it a little more on the dry side. That's how she made it. And there you have it. Be back in 4 minutes. So here it is, and I want you to know that it's not too saucy, although it is a little at the bottom. Now, if you want more sauce, add another can of tomato sauce and some more pasta water, it's all done, and I hope you enjoyed the show. I'm going to put some Kraft Parmesan cheese, which you can put if you want. If you want fresh mozzarella, you can shred some, but I'm gonna dive in, and I think you're gonna like this. This is a fast, quick, easy spaghetti recipe, and I will be back with the scripture of the day. Prayers for breakthrough. Proverbs 19:23. Lord, let your fear give me life, blessing. Let me be satisfied and let me not be visited with evil. Lord, let humility and your fear bring riches, life, blessing, and honor. I will live and not die, and I will declare the works of the Lord. For with you is a fountain of life. In your light shall we see light. Let your words be life to my soul and grace to my neck. Proverbs 3:22. Bless me, Lord, and let the light of your countenance shine on me. I know the joyful sound. Lord, bless me as I dwell in your house and continue to praise you. Lord, you have redeemed my life from destruction. You crown me with loving kindness and tender mercies. I will hold fast to your instruction because it is my life. I have found wisdom, I have found life, and I obtain your favor. Bless me, Lord, for I put my trust in you. The Lord is my breaker, and he goes before me. Anoint me for breakthrough.